Hello guys, to my channel AJ Study Pivot. uh, in our last video हमने ख़त्म कर लिया था पॉपुलर नोशंस तक एंड नाउ विल स्टार्ट विद एवोल्यूशन ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. सो मैं ये छोटी वीडियो बनाऊंगा मीन्स पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके. तो एवोल्यूशन ऑफ साइकोलॉजी है, इसमें ए है मॉडर्न साइकोलॉजी इज़ ट्रेस्ड बैक टू 1879 when first experimental laboratory was established in Leipzig, Germany by Wilhelm Wundt. Now study conscious experience and analyze building blocks of mind, and was called structuralist as he used introspection. What was introspection? Introspection, a procedure in which the subject is asked to describe its own mental processes and experiences. Now B. American psychologist William James set up a psychological laboratory in Cambridge, Massachusetts, USA. Okay, so developed functionalist approach to study. You can take screenshot. Now I'm moving to the next. Human mind. So developed functionalist approach to study human mind. He was interested to know what the mind does and not what that cannot be confirmed. John Dewey, another influential educational thinker, used functionalism to argue that humans seek to function effectively by adapting to the environment. Okay, now see. Early 20th century witnessed the emergence of Gestalt psychology. Gestalt psychology was emerged early 20th century. So where it was emerged? It was emerged in Germany. Now, what was its states? The experience is more than the sum of the component. In easy words, the whole is greater than the sum of its part. Example: the chain of light bulbs. Now D is another reaction to structuralism was behaviorism. So in 1910, John Watson rejected the idea of mind and consciousness and was influenced by psychologist Ivan P. Pavlov. So next is he believed and focused on observable behavior, and B.F. Skinner was another prominent behaviorist. So E is Sigmund Freud was the one who introduced the world with psychoanalysis. Now we'll talk about psychoanalysis. So it was a way to cure psychological disorders which viewed human beings motivated by unconscious desires. So next point is Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow had a humanistic perspective as free will of humans and the striving to grow and unfold their inner potential. So F is constructivism. So we'll talk about constructivism. So modern cognitive psychology viewed human as actively constructing their mind through physical and social world. Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky were of the view that mind develops on the interaction between children and human. So next is mind develops through social and cultural processes. So I'll turn to next is G. Gestalt approach and structuralism were combined and led to the development of the cognitive perspective. Now the first point is focuses on how we know the world, and the second is cognition. Cognition is the process of knowing. It involves thinking, understanding, perceiving, memorizing, problem solving, and a host of other mental processes by which our world knowledge increases. So the next point is making us able to deal with environment in specific way. So you can take screenshot also and you can study. So thank you guys. I hope you liked it. So please like it, share, and please subscribe.